Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to scan a QR code on TikTok. The reason you want to know this is that TikTok QR codes make it super easy to connect with other users or find specific profiles without having to type their usernames. It's a quick and hassle-free way to follow friends, brands, and creators. This video is perfect for anyone who wants to learn a faster way to connect on TikTok, whether you're a new user, a creator building your audience, or someone looking to network effortlessly. This video is going to be short, simple, and straight to the point, so make sure to stick around all the way to the end to learn how to scan a TikTok QR code. So first things first is you're going to want to go to your TikTok app. So there's a couple ways to do this. You can scroll down and look it up, but I know where mine is. It's this black app right here with the white and red logo. So once you've found the TikTok app, you're going to want to, of course, load it. And what you'll see is the For You page right when it loads up. And, there will be a bunch of different videos. But what you want to focus on is the bottom down here. You'll see Home, Shop, the plus sign, Inbox, and Profile. Now, in order to be able to scan a QR code and find your own QR code, you're going to want to go to the Profile and just click the Profile button, and then you'll notice your username up top and then the two little buttons in the top right. Click on the three little bars right here, and it will bring up options down here. Now, you're going to want to click on the third option down, which says My QR Code. Click it. Your QR code will be able to pop up, and so if anyone ever wants to scan your QR code for TikTok, that's how you find it. But what we want to focus on for this tutorial in particular is how to scan a code. So in order to do that, it's super simple. You just go to the top right corner and it will bring up your camera, and all you do is just scan their code and it'll bring you to their profile, and that is literally all there is to it. Oh, and there's also a gallery, so if you have a screenshot or a picture, you can upload it and add them that way. But yeah, that's literally it. Now that we covered the main tutorial, let's cover some important tips that you should consider. Tip number one is to make sure your camera has good lighting and focus for the QR code to be scanned correctly and easily. Tip number two is if you're having trouble scanning, double check that your TikTok app is updated to the latest version. The third tip is to remember that you can always share your own TikTok QR code with friends to help them find your profile more quickly and easily. Tip number four is to use QR codes in a safe environment. Only scan codes from trusted sources to avoid phishing attempts. And with that said, please be sure to drop a like on this video if you did find this tutorial helpful. Also, be sure to share this video with a friend, but most importantly, be sure to subscribe for more future tutorials. And with that said, I hope you guys have a beautiful day, and thank you so much for watching.